How to fix Steelseries headset mic not working. So the first thing you can do is go to your search bar or your start menu and just go ahead and search for mic privacy. Or you can just directly go into your settings. So inside your settings, go to privacy and security. Scroll down until you find your microphone. Make sure the microphone access is on. Just choose whichever, but it's better to just turn this on manually. The other option is to directly just go ahead and open your control panel. So in your control panel, go ahead to hardware and sound, go to the sound over here. Then just go ahead to your recording. Make sure the microphone you want to go ahead and use has the level over here turned on. So of course, to have it input your sound, it's gonna have to be in a higher volume. So just go ahead and press on OK if that's done. Another option you have is to just go into your settings again, go to your system, go to your sound, and just make sure the input you have is the microphone you want to use, which is the SteelSeries headset. And finally, if you do have SteelSeries GG on, go ahead to sonar over here and make sure the mic you're using here in the sonar section is set to the actual headset. So the mic input, then choose the headset that you're using, the SteelSeries headset. But those are a few options you can do to potentially fix your microphone that's not working. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.